Assembly passes Disability Rights Bill. Group urges Governor Ali to sign without delay. Benue State House of Assembly has passed the Disability Rights Bill into law, marking a significant step towards safeguarding the rights and dignity for persons with disability in the state. The announcement was made on August 1st, 2025 by the Hope Alive for the Possibility Initiative (HAPI), which hailed the development as a major milestone in pushing for inclusive governance. HAPI praised the Benue State Government for its proactive role in drafting and forwarding the bill to the Assembly as an executive bill, describing the move as a demonstration of strong political will. The group also commended the Speaker and lawmaker for prioritizing the legislation and ensuring the swift passage. As the state celebrates its historical win, HAPI is calling on Governor Alia to give immediate assent to the bill and to instruct relevant ministries, departments, and agencies to begin budgeting and planning for its full implementation.